Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we started today's video with our first transformation. She cuts the hair right off. Now this is a lot of hair that she is cutting here. Her hair is very thick as well. And then we move into this gorgeous pixie transformation. Wow. I am loving the color change here too. This is so beautiful. Probably one of the best transformations I've seen this year, honestly. Next up, we have someone with hair around shoulder length. She ends up getting this carefree pixie style. Then we have another long too shorts. She ends up getting a pixie with this one. Loving the choppy texture here and the bangs going there in the front. Another gorgeous, dramatic transformation. So she shows us here how she goes from a short pixie to more of a shoulder length style. And then we have another dramatic, gorgeous pixie transformation. Very nice. Next up, it looks like we have someone rocking that ash blonde hair color here. The stylist does a cut refresh. And she kept that same color with this beautiful pixie. This is like a very 90s inspired look. And then we have another pixie in the works. Salt and pepper color here. Nice choppy texture here. Really adds a bit of volume and, of course, texture to the overall hair. So here we have someone with hair around shoulder length. Looks like she's going shorter with more of a bob or jaw-lined pixie. Ooh, beautiful pixie bob variation here with the asymmetrical cuts. Oh, I love this. I love the amount of thickness and fullness that this cut has. Beautiful highlights mixed in as well. Gorgeous. Next up, we have this beautiful bob. We have another bob makeover here for the next one. The stylist chops off that hair. Look how much body her hair has. This is absolutely beautiful. Her hair is so thick. And then moving on, we have a wolf cut style. So the wolf cut was trending very heavily around 2 years or so ago, and it looks like it might be trying to make a little bit of a comeback here. She's got the bangs going there in the front. We have a blowout here for the next one. Stylist kind of trims and shapes up the hair. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.